Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Student, we are solving FSC 2021 annual paper of Federal Board, and this is its long question. And this question we have to prove this limit x approaches 0, x plus a square root minus square root a divided by x is equal to 1 by 2 square root a. So we have to prove answer of this limit is 1 by 2 square root a. How will we evaluate this limit? First we substitute x is equal to 0 and we see that what forms it takes. Square root x plus a minus square root a divided by x. If we substitute x equal to 0, then first value becomes square root a. Second value is square root a. Both subtracted make 0 in numerator. Denominator is x which approaches 0. It means x is also 0. So numerator, denominator both become 0. If you look in numerator, we put x 0. Then it will be square root a. And it becomes square root a minus square root a 0. Divided by x, x becomes 0 due to limit. So 0 by 0 form, this is called indeterminate form. Indeterminate form will be determined by some technique, and the technique that works here is rationalization. We rationalize numerator. We multiply and divide by conjugate of numerator. Numerator is square root x plus a minus square root a, and we multiply by its conjugate, which is square root x plus a plus square root a. So only we change the sign of given form, which is the subtraction of two values. Now we will add these two values and multiply by that, divide by that, and it is called rationalization. In numerator we see that square root x plus a minus square root a, square root x plus a plus square root a, they make a plus b, a minus b. The product makes a square minus b square. So square root x plus a whole square, square root x plus a whole square minus square root a whole square. Root and squares are cancelled, and denominator x and square root x plus a plus square root a appear in product. And after this, what we have? A removal of root and square, x plus a minus a divided by unchanged denominator x and product with square root x plus a plus square root a. A cancels a, x cancels x, numerator, denominator, both a's and numerator cancelled each other due to addition, subtraction. X from numerator cancels x from denominator, and what we have left in numerator 1 and denominator square root x plus a plus square root a. Now we apply limit. Limit tells us putting x equal to 0. If we substitute x 0, it will be 1 by square root a plus square root a, it will be 1 by 2 square root a, the answer of this limit. Initially, students, we saw that this was indeterminate form, and we determined it by rationalization. We rationalized it and determined. So when we rationalized it, it gave us the answer 1 by 2 square root a, which was a required answer. Hence, we have proved that answer of this limit is equal to 1 by 2 square root a.